As the operations manager for a building maintenance company, Craig needs to ensure that the company adheres to the latest rules and regulations, and he needs to be able to quickly provide the evidence to prove this when needed, which is why he has decided to digitise his existing paperwork and checklists using WorkfloPlus. He used the AI-powered workflow editor to create a procedure that will capture all the information he needs to make sure that rules and regulations are met. Craig then assigned the workflow to his team, so they instantly have the most up-to-date way of completing the task. He then schedules the job so the team can meet the customer's deadline. The digital form is then completed on site. Each step in the process is time-stamped with the photo evidence needed to prove that industry standards have been followed throughout the installation. This provides Craig with real-time confirmation that the job has been completed. So he not only has an accurate view of what is happening on site, but he can also invoice the customer as soon as the work has been completed to reduce the payment cycle. An integration with a business intelligence system provides an in-depth real-time view of the company's whole operation, allowing any issues to be identified before any problems arise. Thanks to WorkfloPlus, Craig can relax knowing that he has all the evidence that he needs to prove compliance rules and regulations have been met.